Hello. And welcome to my video. Let's talk about
affiliate revenue, residuals, residual, passive and affiliate revenue streams. One way that aspiring netrepreneurs can learn if an idea for an online business has merit is to begin by selling information on the web. For a minimum investment, a site can be developed that simply provides information. Essentially, you will be marketing information. Test development. 1. Selected a product or service you are interested in selling. 2. Write informational articles about the product or service. If this is not possible, use free-to-use articles to increase the knowledge base for your customers. 3. Accept pay-per-click advertising and place the code on each page. 4. Become an affiliate with an existing business that sells products related to your site. 5. Launch the site and promote through a press release and other available site promotion techniques. What does this prove? If done correctly, the site you develop will have the same look and feel of an online business. The primary difference is your site visitors will be purchasing from an affiliate business. Because you have less of a vested interest in where the visitor actually makes their purchase, the use of PPC ads through Google AdSense and other like-minded advertising options is a solid marketing option. The site provides residual income to you through the sale of merchandise through your affiliate program as well as PPC. No matter where your visitor clicks, there is a likelihood that you will receive some form of residual income. How does this happen? PPC advertising provides you with revenue every time a visitor to your website clicks on any of the PPC links on your website. The visitor is taken to a new website, but because your site was the portal that brought them there, you are paid. Depending on how specific your site is, you might receive a few pennies or several dollars every time a guest clicks a PPC link. Affiliate revenue comes when you agree to point visitors in the direction of a specific business. In some cases, you might receive a flat fee for the purchase, or you might receive a percentage of each sale. Once the website is established, you work hard to market the site, then simply make any enhancements you feel may be needed and wait for residual checks. Many of these sites make back many times the original investment for their owners. This method is a low-cost way to work on skills associated with online marketing in a low-risk environment.
Please click the link in description for more information. Bye.